Project Canvas. Still dealing with messy files, too many versions, and endless time wasted finding images? The solution is here. The brand new Project Canvas helps you manage drawings, renderings, and edits all in one place. Just learn these 3 simple steps, and you'll get started in no time. 1. Create a canvas. Open Air and create a blank canvas right from the home page. You can also start a new canvas from the toolbar, or reopen past project canvases anytime. 2. Import your assets. There are 3 different ways. Drag import. Local images can be dragged directly into the canvas. Images from your history can either be dragged manually, or added instantly with one click. Single import. Select an image. Then click the favorite button to add it to the canvas. Each image can only belong to one canvas. Batch import. Open history. Turn on multi-select. Choose your images. Then click batch collect to add them all at once. 3. Core features. There are 3 main functions. Single image rendering. Select any image, choose a style, and click render. The rendered image appears right beside it, making it easy to generate multiple styles and compare design options. You'll also see a re-render button. Render creates a new image based on the current result. Re-render goes back to the original image, and runs the same settings again. Batch rendering. Select 2 to 4 images at once, choose a style, and click render. You can generate multiple images in batch with a consistent style and faster workflow, perfect for full presentation sets. Precise image editing. Canvas mode also supports precise image editing. Select an image, click edit below, and you can enter editing mode directly. All existing features remain fully compatible, so there's no need to switch between tools. Every edit is saved automatically so you can review steps, go back anytime, and quickly re-render new versions. That's the basic workflow for Project Canvas. There are many more advanced features waiting for you to explore.